Hi, we'll show you guys how to crack your knuckles. I have my friend David how to crack his knuckles. Hi, I'm David, and I'll show you guys how to crack your knuckles. See, first you take the hand, and you want to crack and take the other hand, and this is how you crack. See that? Yeah, and I'll do the other hand. There. And last, this is my name, Ryan. Bye guys. Bye guys.